Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications for your Realme 9. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here begin search for an app. Write NotifyBuddy and hit the search button. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. Move to the next step, and from here you will need to grant 3 permissions. First one is phone permission. You'll have a pop-up, simply allow it like that. Next is overlay permission. It will move you to the permission settings, and here you will need to find NotifyBuddy, select it and click always. Go back, go for the notifications and do the same thing. Find NotifyBuddy, allow it, then allow again. Go back and the app will be ready. So here's the also battery optimization, which you can disable, but it's optional. You don't need to do it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step and press OK. From here you can start customizing the app, and the first thing you can see is a user tab, and here you can select any app for custom LED lamp notifications, and in this case I'm gonna use Facebook. You can select basically everything here, so you can just do it yourself however you want. Now let's move to the system, and here you can find any system apps to get this custom LED lamp notifications. You can go for the active, and here you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the system you can customize your LED lamp by changing its size, shape, time between blinking, color, whatever you want. Now let's press test, and here we'll be able to see this LED lamp notification. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.